name is Kunal Marfatia.
And my name is Isha Marfatia.
And we are second graders from Shuler Elementary.
Today, we would like to share with you the solution we have come up with to help people during the coronavirus pandemic.
Our idea is to deliver test kits and medicine by using the drone as a runner.
We have prepared a little video to explain our concept and solution. We hope you enjoy it.
Oh, I don't feel good.
Cases soaring just today.
Honey, are you okay? Are you sick?
New Jersey today
I
becoming
feel
a sixth
warm.
state
I
to
don't
close
feel real
all
good
non-essential
right now.
businesses, joining
I'm gonna take your temperature.
Illinois,
Probably a good idea.
Pennsylvania, and Nevada. More than 80 million
I wonder,
Americans
do you have the
now told to stay at
coronavirus?
home.
Maybe,
New York
I
State
don't
with
know.
more than 11,000 cases, and now New York City.
I'm gonna call the doctor.
On who will
All right,
be
good
tested.
idea.
Plus, Governor Andrew.
Hey, Mrs. Long, what's going on?
My husband is coughing and he has a temperature of 103. Also, very hard for him to breathe.
Has he been in contact with anybody from out of the country?
Yes, he had been traveling.
I might have the coronavirus. Let me send over a test. Take care. Bye. Order test. Test is ordered. Prescription number 101. Oh no, not another one. I already have 100 prescriptions to deliver. What am I going to do now? I have an idea. I'll call the Shuler squad. They'll have a solution for this problem. Hello? Hey, Kunal, what's the value of pi? The value of pi is 3.1415. Hey, it's Pharmacist Marshmallow. I wonder what he's up to. Hello?
What? 100 prescriptions for the coronavirus? Let's see what we can do.
What are we gonna do now?
Maybe I can just run across every house and deliver every test kit.
Why? That's 100 houses. Times 2 miles. That's about 200 miles.
What are we going to do? Maybe let's use the drone.
You think we have it? I think so. Okay, Kunal, now that we have solved all of the drone challenges, can you call Pharmacist Marshmallow and let her know we have a solution?
Okay, scientist. Hello? Hey, Pharmacist Marshmallow, I think we might have solved your problem. We are going to be using a GPS-fitted drone with a cargo kit to deliver your test. Sound good?
Sounds like a plan. Love it. Yes. This is prescription number 100. Good to go.
COVID-19 with the symptoms that I presented with. I am
Oh, the test kit's here. Drone runner.
All prescriptions delivered. Yes, let me call the Shuler squad about this and thank them.
Hey, it's Pharmacist Marshmallow.
Thank you, Shuler squad. All the prescriptions have been delivered. You saved the day.
Glad to be of service.